everyone, Daisy here again with an unboxing video of my January Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit. I did already open it just to save a little bit of time, so we're just going to jump right in. So it came wrapped in this lovely tissue paper, which is one of my favorites. I pick this up at the dollar store all the time. You get a card each month, and this month it's this beautiful floral pineapple, and this month Christina is doing something new, so or a couple new things. So first of all, you're going to get one of these tickets that have a raffle number on it, and you want to save this ticket because you can't win if you don't have your ticket. So be sure you keep a hold of that. And I always keep my cards because I have a plan for later on that I'm going to use them. The second new thing is this brown paper bag. Now, I don't think you're supposed to open this. This is for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club scrap party. For February, it is February 10th and 11th. And so this bag contains some goodies that is going to be part of one or more challenges. I haven't looked at mine because I want it to be a surprise, but everybody should be getting one of these. If you are going to participate in the scrap party and you haven't got one of these, you can contact Christina Sorge and see if she can still get you one out. I'm not sure if it would, depending on where you are, it might get there on time, but so that's that. And then I asked for a traveler's notebook kit for a boy. I'm going to be starting a new project in a traveler's notebook, and it's going to be for each of my kids, but I'm starting with my sons, and it's something that I will introduce later on my channel, so keep an eye out for that. But the first thing I'm going to start with is this. This is the Basil Marshmallow Cardstock. If you watch Adele from Inky Quill or Missy Whitten, they use this cardstock because it's really great for mixed media. It's super thick. Let's see if I can, well, this one's pretty thick too, but this is really thick, and the good thing about this is you're not supposed to have to prep it with like gesso before you do something on it. So I'm excited to use this and see if I like it or not. And then Christina did a wonderful job of putting together this color scheme. I love this. This is perfect with the grays and the blues and some yellow and little pops of other colors. This paper is Echo Park Capture Life by Allison Craft, and it is gray ombre, and I love both sides of this. I'm excited to use that. This paper is Gossamer Blue number 3, and again, I love both sides of it, but I like this one more, I think. This is L Studio Family Fun Paper 2. And I love these little circles, but this side is gorgeous as well, so I'll probably use both sides. Excuse me. This is like a gorgeous blue. I don't know if it's as good on video as it is in real person, but it is like, it's such a beautiful color. I'm obsessed with it, and I really like this color too. This is Vicki Boutin, All the Good Things Soul Food, and that is just such a striking color. I love it. So I got these two pieces, and this is a 6x12 piece, and I have no idea where it's from, but I love these triangles, and this side is an interesting kind of pattern as well. And then I got this one. This is probably a 6x8. And I like this yellow stripe. And I even like this little branding strip too. So for 6x6 papers, it looks like I got, I think this is Pink Fresh Studio Escape the Ordinary, maybe. All these papers, and these are so thick, like it's amazing. And then I'm not sure if this is the same collection. That might be. That looks like that color. And then one of those. And those are all perfect for the project I have in mind. So then I got these One Little Bird Studio Calico stamps, and this font is, I love that. It's amazing. And these little hexagon pieces, those will be fun to play with as well. A little wood green one. And then, man, I'm losing my voice. This is printed on watercolor paper, and I don't know, this might be Vicki Boutin actually. Yeah, I think so. It looks like the same handwriting, right? I'm excited to use these. Some of these sayings will work very well in my traveler's notebook, and I might use these in my planner. So those are really pretty, and I can't wait to try to watercolor on them. So this is another thing from One Little Bird by Studio Calico, and just some of the sayings on these tags. And those are fabulous. Some Gossamer Blue tags sticker set, and I really like the blue and all the colors in this. It's going to go really well with my project. So then for goodies, I got, they came in these 2 bags, and let's pour them out here. I've got this thick washi. This might be Illustrated Faith, maybe. I love a black and white thick washi. I got this vellum clock, and then there's a bunch of pieces again that are, I believe, from the Pink Fresh Escape the Ordinary. Pink Fresh? Pretty Little Studio? No, I think it's Pink Fresh. I always get those two confused. Black ribbon, these little, I think they're adhesive, like canvas flags. Another vellum piece, some, not acrylic, acetate, Seriously and Adventure. Some more little bits that are from that collection. These are Jelly Bean Soup, little like journaling spots. And then I got a bunch of these little stars, and they look metallic, but I think they're acrylic. I think they might be acrylic. But anyway, they're really cool. They're dimensional, but they're not too bad, and they are shiny. And I like shiny. So then for my mixed media, I got this artsy metallic paint in red copper. And you can see I was already trying to play with it a little bit. So, ooh, it's dry already. It's very shiny and metallic-y. And it comes out in kind of like a pen tip type situation there. So you can see how lovely that is. And I wonder if that is going to dry dimensional or if it flattens out a little bit. I'll have to wait and see. I think it might dry dimensional, so that would be fun to play with. And then I also got one of these little Dewdrop Brilliance pigment ink pads in Cosmic Copper. And I don't have any dewdrops actually, so I'm excited to try these out. I know everybody loves them, so excuse me, I'm excited to see, you know, how they, if I love them as much as everybody else. So yeah, that's pretty much my kit. I'm really excited to get started with this. This project that I'm going to be doing is one that I've been thinking about for a while, and it's been hard not to like get started, but I wanted to wait for this kit because I knew it would be gorgeous, and I knew it'd be exactly what I need to get this project done. So if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below and I can try to answer them. If not, I will have links below for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club sign up page, as well as the other ways that you can contact Christina if you have any questions. But like I said, you can leave them in the comments below and I can get you answers. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.